Hi, my name is Tay. I'm doing a game. It's called, sorry, my name is Tay. And I know you're wondering about if I'm gonna do another YouTube video, and I am. So here we go. Let's go. This keyboard. You know I hate the keyboard. This is fun. I've already did this, so I accidentally did it too far, so I had to redo this. I really did do a video, but I couldn't fit everything in, so I'm just gonna show you a little. So this is a cool game. I'm gonna call it Pixel. The Pixel game. And look, I found a dungeon earlier. I found this thing. It's a dungeon. You might see this in one of, well, it's different. Instead of stairs, but this one, it's a ladder. See? That's cool. I'm gonna smack it. Dang it. Smacky smack. Smack shack shack. Smack shack, smack shack, smack smack smack, and a shack shack. Wait, smack it. Need something that's heavy. Try this. Oh! Gold. Let's see. I tried something heavy for it to work, but there's nothing heavy, so I had to do it by myself. Ah! I'm hitting it until it doesn't work. Let's put it down here. Alright. I like opening that here. It's cool. Oh no, get out! I gotta get back down here. That's where I live. Start mining out all this gold. Smack you gold, smack you gold, you look like you're red. Smack you gold, smack you gold, smack you, smack you. Oh my gosh, it's a lot cleaning out this place. I'm just gonna get a few of this. I'll continue this next time. Mine all this. And all we're gonna do is just do a little. Now it's 3 minutes is too quick, so I'm just gonna do a little more. But just wanna say goodbye. When it gets to 5 minutes, I'm gonna be done. Now I wanna keep my walls in here. Because they're already built. You can't make walls. It's really mean. And see, look in here. There is actually no thing, so you could only use workbenches. That's like a home. Because I don't know anything else. I guess a stone workbench. I thought you like stone walls. Oh, no. I guess you need like stone for stone walls. I don't know. I'll rebuild these walls if you can actually make stone walls. Mine. Those are like crystals. Kinda. Stone workbench. I. Space. No. I. It's inventories. I. There. I'm forgetting the controller of it. Sorry. Where's this? Hey. We're gonna get a stone pick, a stone sword. Because now I'm living underground, remember? There's stone stuff. Wait, crafting space. Wait, I. Inventory's I. Oops. Sorry, I'm forgetting the controls. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to be done. Slit. I'm just gonna get a little more stuff. Once I mine this crystal, I'm going to end the video. Mine. Let's get the legendary crystal. Well, it's not legendary, they're all over the place. They're really good. Let's get the legendary gem. So I'm gonna have to end this video. Let's get a little more. Alright, bye. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up the video and please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Bye.